Hi, this is Jonathan from Entry Systems, Garage Doors and Gates. We've been serving Orange County since 1972. I'm here live from our design center, and we're trying to pick out our perfect garage door right now. And so one of the questions that we have is, what color should I do? So choosing the color for your garage door can seem complicated, but this can be a pretty simple question. So first question would be, do you have an HOA? So HOAs may only allow you to have one of the two most common colors, and that's going to be white or almond, which is kind of like an off-white, maybe a little bit of yellow, depending. So the next question would be, what color is your house? You typically want to match the color of your garage door to the color of your house, or possibly the trim, the fascia boards that are around it, the trim pieces. But some people like to go from like a white door to maybe a black door or a dark brown, and that's going to really make that door pop instead of just kind of blend in and be the same. So the next question would be, well, how does the color affect the price? So I wanted to show you here, we have all of these color samples here available in our design center, and you can take them home with you if you'd like. But these are all the standard solid colors. They're all the same price, but you'll have to pick from one of these because these are the colors that the manufacturer carries. So there's about 7 or so of those, including like white, almond, dark brown, gray, tan, sandstone, black. I think there's even a green in there. But you might be asking, well, what if I'm interested in one of those wood grain colors? Well, so the wood grain, here we got some samples. This is by a brand called CHI, and they have these handful of different wood grain colors. These ones do cost extra, actually. They're all the same price, but they are an upgrade from the standard colors that we just looked at. And so, and the price will vary depending on the size of the door. So what if none of the manufacturer's colors match your house? That might be your question. Well, most of them do have a special order color option that you're either going to get from a different company, one of their companies that they use, or it could be powder coated, but that is going to start getting fairly expensive. So your final question might be, well, can't I just have my painter paint my garage? And the answer is yes, you can. And that might be the best option for you if you need a custom color. But when you do that, you do void the manufacturer's warranty on the paint, which is usually a lifetime warranty. And also the manufacturer's paint doesn't fade as fast, and it doesn't peel over time like a painter's paint might. The manufacturers paint on, don't paint, but they bake on the paint, and then they put a clear coat. That's why you see a little bit of like a shine to it, but that is the UV protection so that the paint will last longer. So I hope that helps answering some of those paint questions. And like I said, feel free to stop by and pick up some of these colors that we have here. And let's move on to the next topic with picking our perfect garage door.